single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey you guys, what's up? Hey, how you doing? This is Nikki. I'm back at it again with another video. And I guess that guys wondering, okay, like, why is the hammer pointing at spaghetti? Well, if you already guessed it or you can tell by the title, I'm doing another cooking video. And this is where how I make, well, one of the ways how I make my homemade spaghetti. If you want to see this, stay tuned, and I hope y'all guys like it, and I will see y'all guys at the end. And thank you for coming back to another video. But I'm not going to keep on rambling like I always do, but stay and watch, enjoy. Talk to y'all guys later. Bye. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Nikki. I'm back at it again with another video. Today it's going to be a cooking video. I'm going to be doing spaghetti, and the meat that I'm going to be using is turkey. I forgot what kind of turkey, but you'll see the package when it comes time for me to show the package. But anyways, I'm about to put my spaghetti and stuff like that together, and I'm going to show y'all what kind of spaghetti I'm going to be doing. Sorry about the lighting. But this was what kind of spaghetti I'm be doing, even though it's from Walmart. I got a 3-pound family size spaghetti. And I'm going to break it up, put it in some water. And I'm going to use chunky tomato, garlic, and onion paste. I meant pasta, not paste. Sauce. This is how it looks. And in it, I'm going to use for like when I get ready to do my meat, I'm going to use olive oil, a little cooking spray olive oil. Olive oil is real good when you using to cook. And if you don't have olive oil, use coconut oil. But make sure your oil stays like 100%. And the seasoning I'm going to be using is pure ground ginger. Is this. And the other one is hamburger grill seasoning. This is what it looks like. And when I'm going to put my spaghetti in the water, I'm using spring water. Alright, you guys, I'm going to come back when I put my spaghetti inside the water. So see y'all guys later. Alright you guys, I'm back. I'm about to spray down my frying pan with my olive oil spray. And then I'm going to get my meat and put it in there. Then I'm going to chop a bell pepper, orange bell pepper. I'll show that to y'all guys. Go back to bed. Go to bed. If y'all hear me talking to somebody, that's the family dog. He always be doing stuff. Trying to see what you're doing or whatnot. Well, anyway, I'm going to spray the pan and I'm going to come back with the meat. So I'll tell y'all guys later. Okay, guys, this is the ground turkey. If I said beef earlier, I'm sorry. This is the ground turkey that I'll be using. It's all natural by Butterball. If y'all know, if y'all see the name at the top. It has no artificial ingredients, no added hormones, no added steroids. And I also said cook to 165 Fahrenheit. Also has the directions on it, and it's 90% lean and 10% fat. But yeah, this is like the ground turkey that I'll be using. It's fresh. So I'll come back to y'all guys when I'm either chopping the bell pepper. But this is the bell pepper. I'm gonna show y'all guys what it looks like. This is the bell pepper that I'll be using. I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm gonna use some of it, but I'm gonna come back when I have like the ground turkey in the frying pan and me chopping the bell pepper. So I'll come back later, you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm back. This is what the ground turkey look like so far. And that's the noodles right there. It's boiling. I have to check them. Later. But like I said, this was what the ground turkey right here looks like. It's browning and whatnot. I have to put some on, put a little bit. Oh, it's not, okay, they're focusing. I'm going to put a little bit of more of the spray olive oil in it. The extra virgin olive oil in it. Just a little bit of it. Then later I'm going to add the peppers and all that stuff to it. So I'm going to come back after the ground turkey is brown. Talk y'all guys afterwards. What's up guys? I'm back. And this is what the meat looks like after them brown. It still has to brown some more, like in the inside of some parts. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw like the season on it. And I'm gonna throw like the orange peppers that y'all saw me chopping up earlier. And I'm gonna throw that in. And plus I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put the season on. So I'm gonna come back when I get ready to do that. I'll see y'all guys later. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I'm about to put the season on it. I don't want to put, you know, like too much ginger, ground ginger on it. And I'm gonna put some of this hamburger grill season on it also. That aside, and sorry if my arm and my hand getting in the way. Try not to get burned by this. Okay, I'm gonna come back when after I have like the peppers in, so I see how that looks. I'll be back, you guys. Alright, you guys, this is what it looks like after I done put, you know, the peppers, the orange peppers in there, and I'm seasoning it. So I have it on like number 4, a little bit over number 4. And I'm about to put the noodles in the pot right here. And I'm going to put this sauce right here in it, the chunky tomato, garlic, and onion pasta sauce. I'm going to put that in. So I'm going to come back after I put that in. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like with the sauce and the meat in it and like the peppers in it, the seasoning in it. I'm going to put the noodles inside of it so y'all to actually see what it looks like and everything. But it's like, it's a simple meal, you know, to put together. You do it towards like your preference. I'm going to come back, you guys, after I put the noodles in. Alright, you guys, I am back. This is the end result. Only use one like pasta thing that y'all saw that I put in it, but pasta sauce y'all saw. You could use more, but this is what one container would get you. But if you use more, it'd be like more liquidy. But anyway, guys, this is what it looks like. So I hope y'all like this video, me doing my spaghetti. Like I was saying earlier, I hope y'all like this video with me doing my spaghetti. I also can do like vegetarian spaghetti. If y'all guys want to see that, stay tuned on me doing that. That'll be in the future of me doing that. Definitely if you don't eat meat, if you're vegan or vegetarian. I'm semi-vegetarian. If you don't know what semi-vegetarian is, you don't eat red meat, and basically red meat is like beef and pork, and I eat like turkey, chicken, and vegetarian and vegan stuff. But I hope you guys, like I said, like the video, thumbs up this video, and stay tuned in the future for more cooking vlogs or cooking shows or whichever you want to call it. But my stomach is like growling and I'm hungry, and I ain't ate since this morning, and right now it's after 6. But anyways, like I say, you guys, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all guys next time.